I'm going to open up this box of magic potions from Skirfy. Skirfy? There it is. Let's open it. This has 23 different fairy potion kits. My almost 6-year-old daughter is obsessed with making fairy potions, and it's not just a phase. She's been into making potions for years now. Really nice packaging. I love how colorful this is. If you're a little kid opening this up, the anticipation is killing you right now. Oh, look at how cute the box is. This is like a display case. Oh, wow. Okay, we've got kit instructions, stickers here. You can label each of the little bottles. Okay, fun. And then the box itself, adorable. Look at the little fairies. Okay, inside the box. This is awesome. All of these different types of jars and bottles. Heart-shaped. These are plastic, by the way. Cute little globies. Corks for all the different sizes. Cute little bowls for mixing your potions. Inside one of these bowls this is like filler. You can put, there's stars in there. Oh my gosh, this is such a fun mix of little things. Flowers, all kinds of shapes. Oh my gosh, get out of here. Charms, look at this. We've got metal charms and plastic charms. Some of them like little gemstones. I see a unicorn horn in there. Little gold trinkets. 1 funnel, 2 funnels. Here is the dye droppers. All the primary colors plus green, so you can mix and match. Make any color of the rainbow. String for turning these into maybe necklaces. Here's some cute little vine. What? This is adorable. Butterflies. Stirring spoons. Mix, mix, mix. Vials of glitter. Oh, this is so cool. Last but not least, one of the funnest little additions to this kit, 2 magic fairy wands. These are made of plastic, but they've got a shiny gold paint coating them. This kit is for 2 people. I mean, as many as you want. Brilliant to make this a 2-person kit. So once you're done with your concoctions, your very cool potions, a display case. I'm going to flip it upside down because you've got these fairies on the bottom and then 2 shelves to display everything with a fun background. This is awesome. This is way more cool than I thought it was going to be. Like, hands down, amazing little kid's toy. Careful with the tiny items. Obviously, this is for 6 and up because tiny little pieces, not for tiny little human mouths, okay? Hope this was helpful.